So another question people ask me, can a window break from heat? And yes, it can. The actual panes of glass in certain types of windows, if they're exposed to a lot of heating and cooling, expansion, contraction, that can cause panes of glass to actually crack, depending on the quality of the window and whether or not there's spacers inside the window itself. Ecoline designs the windows to accommodate for a certain amount of expansion and contraction that will keep the glass from cracking. And on cheaper windows, I do see panes of the glass where it has cracked, and that's because it's installed too tight and there's not a lot of give in the window, and it'll actually, when it's heating and contracting, it can't move, and that'll cause the glass to fail. So with an Ecoline window, it's a lot less likely to happen, and these are built to withstand that kind of expansion and contraction, so you're not going to get as much cracking. So that should answer that question for you.